If you've been wondering what Twitter is now called, the answer is simple. Twitter is now officially called X. In today's video, I'll quickly break down the new names you'll see across the platform, so you're not confused when you're scrolling, posting, or sharing content. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. The first and most important change is the platform name itself. Twitter is now X. So if you hear someone say X, they're talking about the social media platform that used to be called Twitter. Next, let's talk about the names of common features on the platform. Tweets are now called posts. So whenever you create a message and share it on the platform, that content is no longer referred to as a tweet, it is now simply a post. That's a small change, but it's an important one if you're learning the updated terminology. Another big change is retweets. Retweets are now called reposts. So when you share someone else's post to your own followers, you're reposting it instead of retweeting it. Again, the action is basically the same, but the wording has changed to match the X brand. And finally, the website is now hosted at X. That means when you go online, you'll use the X platform name instead of Twitter. So to keep it easy, here's the simple breakdown. Twitter is now X, tweets are now posts, and retweets are now reposts. Once you remember those three changes, the new terminology makes a lot more sense. If you were searching for what Twitter is called now, that's the updated answer. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.